How to create storybook with Artistly. Would you like to be able to create storybooks like this?
Joshua and Kofi were lying on the grass, looking at the stars. Suddenly, they noticed something strange. The moon was fading away. Joshua! Look! The moon is disappearing! Kofi gasped.
Or like this one?
The city of Kumasi buzzed with excitement for the Aquacide Festival, a special day of celebration. Drums beat, flags waved, and the air smelled of roasted corn. At the museum, a long line of people waited to see a special replica of the golden stool, a symbol of the Ashanti.
If so, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create storybooks like the ones that I showed with Artistly. Hello, welcome to Clever Marketing. To create storybooks like this with Artistly, first, you can get your script from ChatGPT, and I'll be showing you how you can be able to get your script from ChatGPT. Once you log on to ChatGPT, this is just simple. You don't want to do so much. You can just type here that help me create a story for, let's say, kids at age 8. You can say maybe, let's say, let me create, help me create a funny story for kids at age 8. So once you do that, just click on enter, and ChatGPT will come out with the title, which is The Day the Sandwich Went Missing. This is the story here. So after you get the story, all that you have to do is you copy here from ChatGPT, and then you go to Artistly. So once you log in at Artistly, you just click Create Design and Fast AI Image Designer. Here you go to AI Design Agent, and you choose or you select multi-character storybook. Okay, it says create a new story. So all I have to do is paste the story from ChatGPT here. And one thing is, these questions here, you can just go ahead and remove them because it's just ChatGPT asking you if you want it to do something else. And with a story, you can select most of the time I do 4:5 or 4:5 and click on create story. So as you can see, it's loading now, it's processing. And stories like this, you can either sell it or give it to your child to read. Sometimes you can even add your child's name because kids get excited when they see their name in a storybook, which will make them or attract them to read more. So you can create a story for your child, for a family member's child, or you can just create your own story too. So as you can see, it's being processed, which doesn't take long. Let's say in less than maybe 5 to 10 minutes. It's still being processed. And look at how beautiful it looks. Okay, story is being processed. See, get a title, the day the sandwich went missing. As you can see, how beautiful it looks. So all this is a sandwich. So we First, what we did was get the story from ChatGPT and then put it on Artistly to create a storybook. So as you can see, it's done processing. And the next thing that you have to do is you select here multi-character storybook. Once you select that, you click on flipbook, create flipbook, and select story. So you see, you put check marks on all the stories, then you click on create flipbook. What you can do is you can select a voice that will read the storybook just in case you want it to be read to your kids, or you can do it without voice. So what I'll do is I'll create this one with a voice. So I go here and I select what I actually have so many different voices that you can choose from.
Hi there, my name is Archie. You can use me as your spokesperson.
Hi there. My name is Bella. You can
Okay, so you
Hi
can.
there, my name is Cyrus. You can use me as your spokesperson.
Hi there. My name is Claire. You can use me as your spokesperson.
So I
I
think
can be your voice behind your sale.
Hi there. My name is Anton. You can use me as your
so. As you can see, I think I like Archie, so I'll select Archie. And the next thing it says select templates. So you can upload your own template. You can create one or browse building template. So that's what I do. And you can hear they already have different templates here that you can select from. But mostly I select the blank one. Then I'll go down here. It says choose from the library. And I pick the story. As you can see, scroll down and say generate flipbook. So now the book is being generated, and I've used it to create some books for my kids that whilst this one is in process, I can play for you to see how I did it.
In the sunny village of Brightland lived two black brothers, Joshua and Kofi. Joshua, 8, loved science books, and Kofi, 4, was great at puzzles. Everyone called them the Smart Brothers. Every day, Joshua and Kofi would build cool gadgets from old toys and wires. They even made a talking scarecrow once. One peaceful afternoon, dark clouds rolled over Brightland. It was Fay Smoke Mountain Fay, the old volcano rumbling after 100 years. Boom! The ground shook. The sky turned red, and people screamed, running to the town square.
So as you can see, that's some of the stories that I've already created with Artistly and ChatGPT. So let's go back and see if our story is done. Okay, the story is ready. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, so when I click on play,
One bright morning, Jamal packed the biggest sandwich in the world for lunch. It had cheese, lettuce, turkey, pickles, peanut butter, jelly, spaghetti, and marshmallows. When the lunch bell rang, Jamal opened his lunchbox and gasped. His super sandwich was gone. Maybe it grew legs and walked away, whispered his best friend Mia. Or maybe it joined the circus, said his classmate Max. The three friends became super sleuths and began their investigation right away. They followed tiny breadcrumb footprints all the way to the school library. A mysterious clue indeed. Next, they found a pickle slice stuck right to the classroom globe. What a puzzling clue! Then they spotted the janitor's mop suspiciously covered in gooey peanut butter. Finally, They followed a trail of spaghetti noodles to the gym. Inside, they saw Coach Miller juggling 3 basketballs, 2 tennis rackets, and Jamal's sandwich. "Coach!" Jamal cried. "That's my lunch." The coach froze, then sheepishly said, "Oh, I thought it was sports equipment." "Yeah." He handed it back. A little squished, but still tasty.
As you can see, he created a beautiful story. And I will leave the link below in case you are interested or you want to get more information about Artistly AI. It doesn't just do this. You can design t-shirts and all kinds of different stuff. But this one is to show you how you can create a story with Artistly AI. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on notification bell. You can also comment and let me know how I'm doing and hit like. Thank you.